morning guys, how are you today? Today I am in the town of Cartagena, Carthage, in the southeast of Spain, near the coast. So I've come here just because I had an afternoon off. I didn't really have too much to do, so I thought I'd explore a new town here in Spain, which is always a pleasure. And it has a beach nearby, so I might just go there as well. But this morning I'm just walking around the town just to see the place, explore a city, and yeah, just enjoy the vibe here. I've seen that this morning there's quite a few people on the streets, which is surprising. You don't really see that in Spain too early in the morning. It's not too early, it's about 10 or 11 a.m. But it is nice to see people out and about. So I'm just gonna go have a walk around. There's an archaeological site here that I'm gonna explore and see what else is there. So join me and let's have a walk around Cartagena. So this is nice. It kind of reminds me of Greece when I was there, and the archaeological sites there. It's kind of similar, I guess. Here you basically have a Roman temple that was on top of this small hill, and I think you can still see a couple of things left. Not too much though, but I guess. Oh, and there's a castle over there in the distance, so I might go there as well just to check it out. But here, yeah, it's kind of a nice vibe. Old castle ruins, old temple ruins, I should say. Okay, so I guess this is all that's left. There's not too much here. It's just this, I don't know what you could call them, rocks, foundations. You can kind of see there was something here, but personally I couldn't tell what was here before. And there's probably something there on the hill over there. But that's basically about it. So this is the site of the old Roman cathedral that used to be that they built in Cartagena, and right next to it is the Roman theater. So basically they built a church next to a party place, which I think is really cool. And it's over there. I think you can see it through the gate, but I can get closer for sure. So let's have a look from here, and then there it is. But I think I can get closer, so let's go to the other side and let's get a closer view of it. Okay, so I'm heading up the hill to check out, apparently there's a small temple there, or at least some ruins. So I'm heading up there to check it out. Alright guys, so here I am at the top of the castle. It's really well built. You wouldn't even say it's an old ruin, but here is the view from up above. This is Cartagena, and I can see there in the distance, if you can spot it there, there's a few military vessels. So there's a military navy arsenal over there, and then this is the port out there in the distance. Yeah, so this is the castle. I was expecting something a bit older and a bit more worn down ruins, but this is, as you can tell here, it's been completely restored. Not even restored, it's just rebuilt in a modern way. So there you go, that is the other side of the port town of Cartagena. So this is the Castle Museum, and here they give you a history of the city from the beginnings, and I think it's about 700. Yeah, 700, and then all the way to the modern age. So let's have a look. And over on this side is what, over there you have what they call the bull ring and the Roman amphitheater. So you can see it here in the photo. It's this one, right? Bull ring and amphitheater. It looks a bit worn down, and it's being held up by reinforcements there. So yeah, that's it. That is the castle, and that is my short trip, just a couple hours around the town of Cartagena. Just a quick stop, and then I'm going to be moving on to something else. So Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.